Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. First off, thank you for watching and thank you for coming, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and share with everyone you know and hit the bell notification so you'll know when I'm posting. This video has come out a little later. It is because we just did her Sweet 16 party on September the 14th and it turned out to be amazing. I wanted to include some of my process of what I made and how I made some of the different structures. I didn't get a chance to include everything or a complete tutorial, so if that's something you guys think you would like to see about some of her decor, how I made it, please let me know and I will do a tutorial on how I made her designs and what I did. But right now I'm just getting her background ready for her cake table and everything, and I'm going to let you watch the video. This is for her Sweet 16. She wanted something elegant and big, and we did that, and she told me it met her expectations and then some. So I was really pleased to find that out. This took a lot of work and a lot of time. So I'm going to sit back and let you guys watch the video. You're going to also see moments from the party, and I'm going to have a lot of information, well, not information, a lot of pictures and video of the party and what we did. We played musical chairs, they did karaoke. It turned out to be a really successful event. I not only did all of the sweets, I also catered the event and did the food. So yeah, I had a lot on my plate this time. So I'll sit back and let you watch this video. All right, bye.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's
Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping for someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made me so restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, cause nobody told me that you cared. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie, you still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made me so restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And although it's hard, at least we found our star. Do you still care? Cause I still care. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad.
I always stop it.
You're gonna leave them all in oh god. Boom, boom, boom. Even prior this. Yes, get back.
Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. Keep bouncing. Oh. Just waiting for the top like the boss. Woo, baby, say to the lyrics with it. I was afraid. Would I be okay? So I prayed and I prayed. It's reality.
Amen.
Speakers in the face. Speakers in the face.
Happy birthday! Okay, you guys. First off, let me say thank you to all that came and participated. Even if you wanted to make it and didn't get a chance, we appreciate you. Thank you for making this such a wonderful event for Myriah. Also, I didn't pull this off by myself, you guys. Their dad and stepmom, we have been planning this for 2 months and it turned out to be a super success. I also want to thank my best friends, Dolores, Brad, Paulette, Shaniqua. Thank you for all of your help. My mom came in from out of town. She wasn't able to get dressed because we were finishing up food, and I truly appreciate all of her help. Thank you for watching. Again, like, subscribe, and share with everyone you know. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, and I will definitely see you in the next video. And to my love, to Myriah, Leanna, Eden, happy birthday, my love. I love you. Bye.